Sonic. Downtown, I got that heat, let's go.
Okay everyone, so this is 1080p at 30 frames. What y'all thought about the 4K and 4K at 60 and also the 1080p at 60? I'm in a different location today doing a camera test. What y'all think? Y'all let me know. How do I sound? How does everything look? This is the iPhone 12. Testing out the cameras today. It does a pretty good job with the colors. They look really natural. And the video and the mic seem really good though. Look, slow pan. That thing is high as heck. I'm not getting in there. Not at all. But stay tuned, I'm gonna come with front facing video and some photos too. Let's go to the waterfall. Y'all can listen for a moment. Again. That sounds pretty peaceful. Look, that's my kids over there. Wide angle lens. What do y'all think about the wide angle? Yes, I'm just holding a phone. So stay tuned. I'm gonna come back with the front facing video and the photos too. The photos are coming. Until then, peace. Okay everyone, so this is 4K at 60 frames per second on the iPhone 12. Look at that. Man, 4K at 60, what y'all think? Again, how that sound? How was that rest of the video? I added some music, I didn't really talk too much except for the 1080p at 30. But I'm gonna do 4K at 30 too, but yes, I'm downtown San Antonio. Look, there is the waterfall or water fountain. But what y'all think about these cameras? How's the stabilization doing? I'm just walking and talking to the phone. And there's people up here now too, but that's okay. That's what we do. You gotta get comfortable with it. Look, that is the Alamo Dome. I almost forgot what dome that is. But that is the Alamo Dome behind me. So I'm gonna come back with 4K at 30. Until then, peace. All right, everyone, so 4K at 30 on the iPhone 12. Yes, I'm just walking around. Look, y'all seen it in the 4K at 60. New location. I'm doing some camera tests with the iPhone 12. Yes, I'm putting it against the Pixel 5 and then also the OnePlus 8T. What y'all think about that background? 4K 30 on the front camera on the iPhone 12. I see why people like the cameras for the iPhone. The cameras look pretty good. What y'all thought about this video so far? Stay tuned. I'm gonna have nighttime video and photos coming up soon too. How is the stabilization? Because I'm just holding the phone, talking to it. There's nobody around, so if people wondering why I don't have a mask, the mask is right here. But y'all let me know. Look at that background, the Civic Center. But y'all let me know what y'all think. Stay tuned to the nighttime videos and photos. And to them, peace. Okay, everyone, so this is 4K, 30 frames per second on the iPhone 12 at nighttime. Look, there's Walmart. Y'all know where I'm at. Y'all want to zoom in, 3x zoom. Look at that, wide angle lens. Shout out to all the wide angle lens fans. But again, how does that sound? How does everything look? What y'all thought about the opening part of the video? Slow pan. It's not doing too bad. not too bad with the video. I'm gonna do the front facing video and wrap it up, but I had to show off the rear cameras on the iPhone 12. My daughter might be getting the iPhone 12 Pro Max, whatever you want to call it. So I might do a camera test with that phone too. So I'm gonna come back with the front facing video and wrap this up. Until then, peace. Alright, so this is 4K, 30 frames per second at nighttime. Yes, I'm walking around my parking lot. What y'all thought about this video? How good are the cameras on the iPhone 12? I don't know. Y'all let me know. How do I look? How do I sound? How's the mic doing? Mics? And how's the stabilization? Because I'm just walking around holding the phone. Yeah, look. Y'all know where I'm at. Big lots. But y'all let me know what y'all think about it. Well, y'all, I'm about to fall off this step. Are y'all going to become iPhone fans, or are we going to say Android? Y'all let me know. I'm gonna have to make the video why I'm switching from Android to iPhone. Nah, I'm just kidding, y'all. Just kidding. But the cameras are pretty good so far. I want to compare it to the Pixel 5. I may do that video too coming up. Maybe even the OnePlus 8T. But I definitely want to see what I can do against other phones. But if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so for more coverage on the iPhones. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Ford's Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.